Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Porsche Panamera battery. This easy method will guide you through the steps to replace your car's power source. Before starting, gather your tools, including a socket set, a wrench, and safety gear. Having a new, compatible battery ready is also crucial for a smooth replacement. First, park your Panamera safely and turn off the ignition. Open the trunk and remove the floor cover to access the battery. You'll then disconnect the negative terminal using a 10mm socket or wrench, followed by the positive terminal. Remember to remove any securing brackets and the vent line before carefully lifting out the old, heavy battery. With the old battery out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals to prevent corrosion. Now, carefully place your new battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits correctly. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, tightening both connections firmly. Don't forget to reattach the vent line and any securing brackets. After installation, double-check that all connections are tight and the battery is firmly secured. It's important to know that a new Panamera battery often needs electronic registration with the car's system. This process helps optimize charging and prolong battery life. If you don't have the specific diagnostic tool, an independent Porsche mechanic can perform this vital step for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.